Python game tutorial, a simple guessing game. Step 1. Import the necessary modules. We need the random module to generate a random number for the player to guess. Step 2. Define the main function. We define a function named main to encapsulate our game logic. Step 3. Print the welcome message. We print a welcome message to greet the player and explain the rules of the game. Step 4. Generate the secret number. We use the randomRandInt function to generate a random number between 1 and 100. Step 5. Start the game loop. We start an infinite loop to repeatedly prompt the player for guesses until they guess the correct number. Step 6. Get the player's guess. We use the input function to prompt the player to enter their guess. Step 7. Compare the guess with the secret number. We compare the player's guess with the secret number and provide feedback accordingly. Step 8. End the game. We exit the game loop using the break statement. Step 9. Call the main function.